रॉयल स्टैक बूम बॉक्स जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बोला, आई थिंक एक बहुत ही यूनिक और बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है व्हेन इट कम्स टू म्यूजिशियंस. Not only bridges the gap between the Bollywood music and the new age hip hop rap music, but also it gives a physical platform wherein artists from both the genres come on one stage and perform for the audience. तो बहुत लोग कहते हैं, आई थिंक रॉयल स्टैक बूम बॉक्स ने वो किया है, एंड हेंस माई एसोसिएशन विद दिस कंटिन्यूज. नहीं तो नहीं करते हम.
Armaan, same question to you, and if you could mention the cities in which you're performing Badshah, you too.
मैं भुवनेश्वर इस बार दोबारा कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू जयपुर आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. सो थैंक यू रॉयल स्टैक बूम बॉक्स. पिछली बार जयपुर किया था किसी ने?
नहीं, पिछली बार जयपुर हुआ ही नहीं था. हाँ.
So yeah, really excited.
Great, wonderful. Armaan?
Royal Stack Boombox, as Badshah also said, stands for really good musicality. Firstly, all of us here have come together to cook up some really cool tunes and beats that can connect with not only our audience but the youth at large. Not plugging in large just for the sake of it. But बहुत खुशी होती है जब आपको musically freedom मिलता है to do something हटके, because we always do our kind of music, but when there's another person, another artist in the room, तो गाना थोड़ा अलग बनता है. आपके तरीके का नहीं बनता है, ना ही उनके तरीके का बनता है. कुछ दोनों का एक कुछ मिश्रण होता है, which sometimes is beautiful, sometimes you don't expect it. I think most important is the energy in the room, and I think the energy on this stage is beautiful. So I think there'll be really amazing tunes coming out from all of us. And regarding the shows, I'm really excited to perform in Indore and Pune. These two cities have been really close to my heart. A lot of fans there as well, who can't wait to be there and perform for them and perform the song that we make as well as part of this project. And overall, really happy to be part of this project. Thank you so much.
Great. Neeti ji, I'd like to ask you, tell us about music as a passion point for the audiences in India, and how your experience with Boombox and Royal Stack Boombox this year in particular is going to help you, sort of engage with the music-loving audiences in Tier 2 cities better.
Royal Stack Boombox is a new sound, because we have heard hip-hop separately, we have heard Bollywood music separately, pop music separately, but this is an absolutely new sound, new energy, and a brand new collaboration between artists जिनको हमने कभी साथ में collaborate करते हुए नहीं देखा और हम imagine भी नहीं कर सकते. Like I would have never imagined कि मैं EPR जिनके साथ मैंने पिछले सीजन में collaborate किया था. So जब दो ऐसे आर्टिस्ट साथ में आते हैं जिनकी एक अपनी पर्सनल साउंड रही है, प्रोफेशनल तरीके से जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, और वो जब साथ में आएंगे, सो वो दोनों अपना बेस्ट जब देते हैं, सो एक नई साउंड बन रही है. दैट्स व्हाट बूमबॉक्स इज ऑल अबाउट. द सॉन्ग्स आर वेरी एजी, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाटएवर इज यूथ एक्सपीरियंसिंग राइट नाउ ऑफ आवर कंट्री. और हमारे यूथ को हमेशा कुछ नया साउंड चाहिए. दे आर they want to express themselves through music. So this collaboration means a lot to us because we get to express ourselves the way we want to. And melody and hip-hop beats and rap and something that is meaningful and yet creating value is what Boombox is all about. So that's what, as a passion pillar of music, is what it means to me, and that is why I'm very, very happy and excited to be part of Royal Stack Boombox.
Great. I'm going to pose a question to Ikka and to Dee on how it feels to be. Dee, you touched upon this earlier, that it's so amazing to have this genre that comes from outside and to own it and to bring it and make it relevant for our context. How does it feel to be part of this platform that takes you to newer cities, makes you meet newer audiences, and what are you most looking forward to with what you're going to be doing this year? We'll start with Dee and then move on to Ikka.
I think Royal Start Boombox is offering a very fresh and unique concept to people where they are bringing forth the melody of Bollywood and the rhythm and poetry of hip hop. So, like I mentioned, hip hop has the ability to just merge into anything. So, it is definitely a big step towards pushing the wave of hip hop forward in India and pushing hip hop artists in India. So, getting to collaborate with artists who come from their own field of expertise when it comes to melodies, it's gonna make our job easier to merge with them through our words, you know. So I think they're gonna bring the melodies, we're gonna bring the words, and it's gonna be amazing. The songs that come out of it are gonna be beautiful. And at the end of the day, we create music in the studio to be able to translate that emotion onto stage. So I'm really looking forward to do that in front of all the beautiful people of Pune when I'm gonna be performing this year.
Ikka?
फॉर मी मतलब जो रॉयल स्टार बूम बॉक्स है सिर्फ एक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, इट्स लाइक अ फेस्टिवल। और एक आर्टिस्ट को क्या चाहिए, स्टूडियो स्टेज, वो हमको मिल रहा है। और मैं तो शुरू से ही बहुत खुश होता जब भी मैं कोलैबोरेट करता हूँ किसी के साथ। इंसान को जानने का मौका मिलता है, उसके म्यूज़िक को जानने का मौका मिलता है। और जब आप किसी नए आर्टिस्ट के साथ बैठते हैं ना, आपको सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है कि यार मैं ऐसे भी कर सकता हूँ, ये चीज़ भी कर सकता हूँ, वो चीज़। तो वो बहुत ब्यूटी है इस चीज़ की। और शुक्रिया कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया रॉयल स्टार बूम बॉक्स ने। और मैं बस चाहता हूँ कि मैं खड़ा उतरूँ और आपको अच्छा गाना डिलीवर करूँ।